Hi everyone, so this is a presentation of an integration of Power BI, Office 365, SQL Server and so on. So what this is my Power BI report, and this is the scenario is that M comes into work on a Monday morning, and we know that he's got to check his dashboard in the morning. So the first thing he does is he clicks on this item here. It takes him through to the next page, and he sees all the things that are going on in the world. Now you can see the blue things are the yellow things are assets, things we want to protect. The green is the MI5 agents. The blues are the neutralized, so threats that have been neutralized, and the reds are enemy spies. Okay, so because M is covering London, the first thing he's going to do is he's going to click on London, and he's going to click the search button. And so we home in on London, and what we can see is we've got James Bond is over here, but we've also got Jaws the baddie and Vesper the asset, and the baddie is quite close to Vesper. So most BI solutions will end at this point, but in this case there's an integration between this and PowerApps. So what we can do is we can change what we're looking at. So what we're going to do is I'm going to look into here, and we can have a look at the different characters that we've got on screen. So we've got the enemy, which is we've got Jaws, which is the enemy. Then we've got Vesper, which is the asset, and we've got James Bond, who is played by me on this occasion. So there's me. Hi. Okay. And what we're going to do is very quickly we're just going to go in and we're going to tell Bond to we're going to send him a text. You won't see anything, so I'm going to ping it as send an email. In fact, what I should have done was please eliminate Jaws, hit the button, and it'll go off and it'll send me an email any minute now. In fact, I've had it on my phone already. Whether or not it pops on screen is another matter. Then we move back onto the screen, and we're actually going to tell Bond to eliminate Jaws. Okay, so in fact what we're going to do is, so now you've got to imagine the situation where Bond goes into his app, he clicks on Jaws, and he clicks on the edit button, and he changes Jaws' status to neutralized, hits the OK button. That's quite normal behavior. Hit the OK button again, and we'll see that it goes to blue. And then when we move back to the report and hit the refresh button, we see that it changed to blue. Bond has saved the day, everyone's happy, and they can all go home. It's not even lunchtime. Okay, thanks everyone, bye.